Guys, this is Andrew from andrewkisilu.com and welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you how you can start making up to $100 per day online even without a website and without prior experience as well, and you do not need to pay for anything at all. So it's totally free to get started using this method that I'm going to be sharing with you, and you can get started with it immediately. All you need to do, or all you need to have, is things that you already have, and a Wi-Fi connection or internet connection, your mobile phone or a computer, and that's it. So if this sounds like something you're really interested in, do watch this video up to the end and go with me and step by step as I show you this method, because if you mess up a little bit, this method will end up not working for you. So I'll really urge you guys to go ahead and watch this video up to the end, because in this video this is what you're going to be expecting. Okay, now in this video I'm going to reveal to you the exact method we're going to be using to make our $100 per day. I'm also going to be sharing with you the websites that we will be using. We're only going to be doing this method with 2 websites and 2 websites alone. So you don't need to go ahead and cram the names of these websites or something. It's just 2 simple websites that once we start putting them together, you can make so much money. Okay, now I want you guys to also watch this video up to the end, because at the end of the video I'm going to be showing you how you can shortcut your way and start earning immediately. I'm also going to be showing you how you can scale this into a full-time income, as well as how you can 2x or double your results immediately without any extra effort on your side. Okay guys, now to the method. It's a simple method. It will be using affiliate marketing. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting our offers, and once we get our offers, we are going to be promoting them in a kind of unique way. We're not going to be spamming our links in our Facebook groups or going around spamming people in their messengers or something. Those methods don't work in 2019 and have really never worked before. Maybe they worked sometime early on when things were just getting started, but nowadays once you start getting into someone's private messenger and you're up there spamming them with links of places they don't even know, they are going to be blocking you and you're going to be kicked out of Facebook. So what I want you guys to do is follow through step by step as I show you where to get the offers we're going to be promoting and the unique way of promoting them by bringing them to the marketplace. And that is how you're going to be making our money. Okay, now the websites we're going to be using are udemy.com. okay, now for those of you who don't know what Udemy is, it's just a marketplace where people create their own courses, and once they've created their own courses, they go ahead and put them on Udemy for people to come to you, for people who are coming to Udemy to enroll in the courses, and they get a pay because they can put up their courses there for about $11, anywhere from $11, okay, to whichever price you feel the value of your course is worth. Okay, now when you go to Udemy, you're going to check out all the courses that are going to be on Udemy. But what I want you guys to do is simple. Okay, now I know, like for example, at the moment some of you have some talents. Maybe you know how to structure your personal finance, like what I'm going to be showing you right now. Maybe you know how to do just anything unique that you know how to. It doesn't have to be that unique, but something that you really know how to do. Maybe you've been taking some meditation classes, so you're well versed in meditation. Maybe you play a particular sport. It doesn't matter, whichever skill that you have and you're confident that you can teach someone else how to do it, That's all you require for this method to work. And even if you don't have any method, or you don't have any skill, if you don't have any skill, I will show you how you can go ahead and acquire some skills which you can then offer to the marketplace. Now this is the marketplace, and in here, when you search for anything like personal finance, okay, which is the example I'm going to be giving you. So maybe you're well versed in personal finance, okay, getting together your books in order, you're really good at it. There are people out there who are struggling with their personal finances, okay. So what I want you guys to do is you will be creating a simple course that will show people how to do their personal finance, or a simple course that shows people how to do the skill you are teaching them to do. So it can be about 5 videos, 6 videos, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be very long videos. 3-minute videos showing someone how they can be able to get the best out of the particular skill you have. So you're teaching them how to do it correctly, okay. So let's say for personal finance, so you want to go ahead and go into personal finance. If you're on Udemy, so you go and search for whichever niche you're in, okay. Let's say it's personal finance, as in my case that I'm showing you. So when you come here and search for personal finance, you will see all these courses, and when you look here, you will see that someone is like this particular course, which goes for $11.99. It has 8,935 ratings. These are people who have already taken up this course, okay. So if you take $11 by 8,935, that's about 80 to 90,000 dollars, okay, that this guy has made, or this person Steve Ballinger has made from this course alone, okay. From having this course and the people who have enrolled in it, he has roughly 90k, okay. But now we won't be doing it this way. The way we are going to be doing it, you can see someone else is 2,300, okay, someone else at 734. What you want to do is you will be offering it for free, okay. And now you might ask me, now Andrew, if I'm offering it for free, how am I going to be making my money, okay? I don't want you guys to worry about that. Now once you come here to the courses, just scroll a little bit, and then you can see somewhere where you can filter, okay. You can filter the courses. So once you come to filtering the courses, I want you guys to go ahead and select free and then done, and it will bring to you all the free courses that are being offered in your particular niche, okay. So what you want to go ahead and see is like this, to see if a niche is really nice for you to get into. You can see everything you need, like personal finance 101, everything you need to know, 53 lectures, 3 hours, all levels, okay. So it's 3 hours worth of content that he or she is giving away totally free, and it has already 1,422 ratings so far, okay. There is also basic investing concepts, 1,330. That's only 12 lectures, 1 hour of content, okay. 7 lectures, 5 keys to investing, 1,017 ratings. So all these are people who have got into these courses and are looking into what is being taught in those particular courses. So what I want you guys to do is, once you start creating your course in a particular field, like we can just check out this course maybe. Let's just go ahead. I haven't looked at it, so I don't know what it has, but let's just go ahead and check it out. So course content, requirements, description. Okay, so when you come to the course content, you're able to see the kinds of what do you call this, the kinds of modules or lectures the person has. So the 5 keys to investing, you just tap that. You can see here course introduction, importance of starting early and it's never too late to invest, what the right amount to invest, the risk and reward trade-off, how fear impacts the markets and causes poor decision making by individuals, and so on. And then down here you can see something. He says easy action steps plus special offer here, okay. Then inside there you are rest assured that this person is going to be promoting something. Okay, it can be a simple course or his own in-depth course on how to be a professional investor or how to be a better investor. And that is the same thing we're going to be doing, because this guy is either promoting his product or he's promoting a product that he's an affiliate for, he or she is an affiliate for. And where do you get such products, you may ask? We go to a second website, which is ClickBank. Okay, so ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate networks out there. So if you want any kind of product, maybe it's a meditation product, it's a health and fitness product, maybe it's a product on finance, maybe it's whatever kind of product you're looking for, ClickBank has you sorted. Okay, so you want to go ahead into ClickBank and search for your product. Okay, once you come to ClickBank, search for the kind of product you would like to promote. Or what you can do to make your work easier is just go to on your left side. You on the left side of the screen, you can see there are different categories that you can choose from. So it depends on what your niche is. Okay, and maybe you're in e-business, education, employment, fiction, games, health and fitness, home and garden, self-help, okay, politics. Whichever case you're in or whichever niche you're in, go ahead and check it out. So in my case, I checked out the personal finance kind of niche, or motivational, transformational. So let's just go ahead and look if there is personal finance here. Okay, not that, that's one there. So for personal finance, okay, for personal finance, these are the offers that I can promote at the moment. Okay, so Credit Repair Magic now pays $50 per sale. Okay, you can also look at Dr. Joe Vitale's Attract Money Now meditation, view mobile. You're going to be making money if you promote any of these products. Okay, so in your course, you're going to be having some kind of resources section, or at the end of the course, just like what we saw earlier, you're going to be having a special offer claim there. So you're going to offer the people who have undergone through the course that you've given unto them for free, how they can be able to get access to your special offer. Maybe it's a course that you're promoting for someone else as an affiliate. Maybe it's your own course that goes in depth into the kinds of topics you have just gone through in the free video or free courses. Okay, so you want to go ahead and pick a product here, and maybe you're going to pick, which one can we pick here? Okay, let's just pick the top one, because I think I've sorted by gravity already. You want to go ahead and sort by gravity, so you see some of the best selling and the best products actually. So you don't want to also promote a crap product. So you go ahead and Credit Repair Magic now pays, maybe you choose this one. All you have to do is go ahead and promote, put your account nickname there. Okay, you don't have to put you can put any name here. Maybe you put free, then you're going to generate a hop link, and that's okay. Let me just put in something free, SERADE, free thread. Okay, let's check out if it will generate a hop link for me. That's all you actually need to get a link to promote this product. So it's not allowing me to promote it using this. Let me just move my camera a bit. Let me just type in something. Okay. Okay, you just have to put in something here, because my names are not going through. I don't know why. Okay, it's not accepting, but don't worry about that. You guys go ahead and check it out. Just put in an account nickname and then you generate the hop link. And once you've got your link, copy that link and you're going to be pasting it into your resources section. You're going to tell them and give them a call to action, something like get special offer on this right now. Okay, and because they're going to appreciate the content you've put out for them, they're going to appreciate the value you gave out to them, they're going to see that you are actually out there to help them, they're going to be clicking those links and buying these products, and by doing that you're going to be making your money. So let's say, for example, like this guy, let's go back to here. So this guy, I don't know when he put up this course. You can see here it's supposed to say, it's supposed to tell us when the course was put up. It's usually somewhere here. Anyway, so let's say, for example, this guy, he has 1017 ratings. Okay, let me just go to my calculator real quick. So 1017, and let's say the product he's promoting is giving him a commission of, like ours gave us a commission of $48 or $49. So it's $49.80. okay, $48, $49, so that's 49,833. okay, I don't know how long this guy has been having his course going around, but if you're making $49,833, maybe give or take in 6 months period, so you can divide by 6, that's $8,308. okay, and if you divide that by 30 days, you're well above $100. So I actually don't know when that guy put up his course. I can't seem to find it on mobile, but it doesn't matter. You guys have gotten the way that this works and just the potential that it has of making you a full-time income online. So go ahead and take action on this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you love this kind of content, so that you also don't miss out when I release a new content on how you can be able to start crushing it online with these make money online videos and tips about affiliate marketing. Also remember to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. Down below this video there is also my resources section where I'll going to be showing you I'll be sharing with you courses of how you can get started and make $100 per day online. So I share with you my $0 to $100 toolbox, which shows you step by step different methods of going from $0 to $100 making money online. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you take action on this method and that you get the best out of it. Comment down below whether you found this video useful or not, and what you think I should do my next video on. So cheers.